Dr. K here for Doctor of Acupuncture. So, I've been a massage therapist since 2002. So, it's been 24 years. And now, I'm learning how to massage puppies. So, do the for mom. So, the anatomy of the dogs is almost the same with the human, but then they are underneath, right? So, massage with the head. This is what I've been doing to Boo Boo. My dog Bijou is 4 years old. So the head, see how relaxed he is? The head. So the sensation mostly of the dogs are in the ears. So massage the ears. There. So how relaxed he is. And also the arms. Arms here. Oh, he's so happy having a massage with mommy. And then their heart and their stomach is underneath here. So, right, Baba? Like it? To give him to be a relaxed boy. See, he's licking me. And then also the legs. To have a good joints with the legs. Oh, my doggy is a happy doggy. And then try to stretch. This is how I doing my dog all the time. Doing his stretching and then relaxing time. Baba, relax. And he's also my dancing partner. Yeah, my doggy is a good boy. Give even a few minutes of relaxing time with your doggy. So, learning more from me is my dream to be also a therapist for the dogs. Okay. Next time we'll do the humans. But then now, he's a happy boy. Learn more from me. Follow me. I'm now learning more.